The history of India, a journey through time. India's history is among the oldest and richest in the world, spanning thousands of years and marked by a remarkable continuity of civilization, culture, and ideas. From the ancient Indus Valley civilization to the struggle for independence and the emergence of a modern republic, India's past is a tapestry woven with the threads of philosophy, warfare, spirituality, and resilience. Ancient India, 3,300 BCE to 600 BCE. Indus Valley Civilization, 3,300 to 1,300 BCE. One of the world's earliest urban civilizations flourished along the Indus River in present-day Pakistan and northwest India. Cities like Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa showcased advanced urban planning, drainage systems, and a sophisticated lifestyle. Following the decline of the Indus Valley, Indo-Aryans migrated into India, composing the Vedas, the oldest sacred texts of Hinduism. This era laid the foundations of Indian philosophy, religion, and the Varna class system. Rise of religions and empires. This period saw the rise of Buddhism and Jainism in the 6th century BCE as reformist movements led by Gautama Buddha and Mahavira. Under Chandragupta Maurya and his grandson Ashoka the Great, the Mauryan Empire unified most of India. Ashoka's adoption of Buddhism and promotion of non-violence was a turning point in Indian history. Often called the Golden Age of India, the Gupta period witnessed major achievements in science, mathematics, like the concept of zero, art, and literature, Kalidasa's plays. Hindu culture flourished, though Buddhism remained influential. A series of Muslim dynasties ruled from Delhi. Despite political instability, this period saw the growth of Indo-Islamic culture and architecture, including Qutub Minar. Founded by Babur, the Mughals established one of the richest and most powerful empires in the world. Akbar the Great promoted religious tolerance, while Shah Jahan built the iconic Taj Mahal. However, after Aurangzeb, the empire weakened, facing resistance from regional powers like the Maratha Empire under Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Following the Battle of Plassey, 1757, the British East India Company began to dominate India. After the 1857 revolt, India's first major war of independence, the British Crown took direct control. India faced severe exploitation, famines, and cultural suppression, but this also sowed the seeds of modern nationalism. The Indian National Congress, formed in 1885, led the fight for independence. Key figures included Mahatma Gandhi, leader of non-violent resistance; Subhas Chandra Bose, founder of the INA; Lokmanya Tilak, Swarajya is my birthright; Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, architect of the Constitution and elite rights leader. India finally gained independence on the 15th of August, 1947. India became a sovereign republic in 1950, with a democratic constitution that guaranteed equal rights to all. Over the decades, India has grown into the world's largest democracy and one of the fastest growing economies. The nation has made strides in space technology, ISRO, science, IT, and global diplomacy, while continuing to face challenges such as poverty, inequality, and environmental concerns. India's history is not just a timeline of events, but a living tradition of values, ideas, and identities that continue to shape the country today. From the spiritual wisdom of the Vedas to the grit of the freedom fighters, India's story is a saga of continuity and change, conquest and resistance, unity in diversity.